guys, I just woke up from a nap. Anyway, I am going to do a toy hunt. It's going to be in different things. It's probably just be hid, but it's not going to be anything probably. Not even in anything. Just like in just one. I'm going to hide it for my puppy Starlina to find, even though she's a puppy. We're in my bedroom, if you can see. Well, anyway, I'm going to get it ready. And I'm going to help her find them. But I won't. I'll just try to give her a hint. And since she's a dog, we'll put treats there too. Like these little thingies. I have 3 of them. And I'm going to hide them. So I'm going to keep them in my bedroom and find some toys. Some of the things might have some things in them, like bags. And there's going to be 8 items. 8 items. Now I got 5 items. I need 3 more. Even though she's a puppy, I'll put those in there. That's 6. These mini little erasers. Put 2 in them. 8. That's 8 things. Okay, I'm ready to hide them. I just gotta get a couple bags. Okay, I'm gonna put the little mini treats like those. These 3. This one, and this one in this bag. Okay, that's ready. I got 5 more items to put away. Actually, I might put them all in there. And this one, I'm going to have this and the erasers go in there. And then these 2, they're not going in the bag. So I'm all ready. I just gotta get my dog, come in here, and I'm gonna find the stuff. So I'll be right back. Actually, so she can find the dog treats better, they're gonna go in here, and here, instead of here. Now I'm all ready. I just gotta go get her. And I'm gonna put the sunglasses in the little bag that the treats were in. Only thing that's not gonna have anything in it is this little kitty purse. Be right back. I'm gonna go get my dog. Okay, I'm finished hiding her stuff. It took me like that. So it's hard to hide it. I'm gonna be very quiet because my daddy don't want me talking. Okay, let me go get my puppy. Okay, we're gonna start.
Mick Jagger was sentenced.
Well, I'm sorry y'all couldn't see it, but she filmed everything. It was so fun for her. We might have to do it again later on. Might do it after this video. She had an egg hunt with dog treats in it. It was my little puppy. Love y'all guys. Diamond Jasmine out. Give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Bye.